Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is July 23rd, 2020, and yeah, let's get into it. So you can see here today we're trading Amazon, the ticker symbol, and totally got crushed today. Negative 3.66 or $113 down. It was absolutely crazy. So for me, I was able to capitalize in the morning. I was able to make a trade in the morning right here. I can let me just pull it up here to show you. Okay, so I was able to, get in, get out really quick. Again, I do scalp trading, so I'm not one of those traders who go for, I don't know, $1 million a trade or whatever. So yeah, anyways, we're just focusing on the process of getting in and getting out at the right time. And as you can see, I've been pretty much consistent even when it's red days. I've been bringing in profits, whether it's $40, $50, $30, that kind of stuff. So yeah, as you can tell here, today was $30. I only did 2 trades. You can tell right here it's 20. So I got in, got out, and then again I got in, and then I get back out. And after that, we absolutely it just went crushing, coming down. Another thing I wanted to point out is, like I mentioned in my other videos, is to make sure you trade above this EMA right here. If you're not, you're gonna absolutely get crushed. I used to do that in the past, and it was really bad. So I had to just go back and paper trade until I got the process down to the T. So every time I get into a trade right now, I know I'm very confident. I can just get in, get out, and then call it a day. So if you can tell right here, you can literally see like it just kept going down. It stayed below this EMA right here, and then usually what'll happen is it starts getting oversold right here. If you can tell here by the RSI, it gets oversold, and then it starts bouncing, coming back up, and that's when you can definitely take another opportunity to get in and get out. But for me, once I make my money early morning, this is where you get a lot of volume spike. I usually take my profits and then just call it a day. Just keep it simple, take your profits and just call it a day. So yeah, if we take a look at the 180-day right here, we can actually see that we have earnings coming up. So it'll make sense for it to actually pull back and before earnings season. Sometimes it actually starts running again before earnings, and that's where we can either make make some more profits from there. But in the meantime, it's best to watch out and be cautious with everything that you do. And if we take a look at NQ/NQ here, which is the overall futures, we can see that it absolutely made a pullback right here. And this is a trend line that I actually drew right here, a trend line. You want to make sure that you understand where's the supports and where's the resistance. So we know that if this actually goes below here, we're pretty much either gonna hit this SMA line right here, and once we break here, we know we're pretty much bearish at this point. So right now we can tell that it's actually going sideways, if we can tell from the support here, and these are my resistance right here. So just try to understand the differences between the support and resistances. Again, we're just here to keep it simple, and that's pretty much my video for today. So if you like that stuff, make sure you smash that like button and notification bell, all that good stuff, man. All that good stuff. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.